यहाँ पे अली आइयो
किसका घूम है ये I am very excited to be here and I am definitely a Bieber fan. I think we're all a fan of his music and everyone wants to go and put up a good show eventually, all artists, and I know he's going to do that for us and he's going to spread the love and we're going to take it. Your favorite song? मैं perform नहीं कर रही हूँ. Your favorite song? I love the full album. I love Sorry. Let Me Love You. Love Yourself. So I'm very enjoy tonight. Yeah.
Oh, we're very excited. I'm very happy कि यहाँ मैं आई अपने पापा के साथ and we're going to have a great time here at Diva Patil.
What's the song?
Oh, my favorite song, Love Yourself. Oh, Mama don't like you and she likes everyone, and I never like to admit that I was wrong. So baby, you should go and love yourself.
Thank you so much.
Really looking forward to see Justin Bieber performing for the very first time in India and पहली बार ऐसा इतना बड़ा concert हो रहा है after Michael Jackson in 1990s I think so. I don't know the year, but I'm really happy that such a big international artist has come to our country.
Actually here for the kids, but I must say the 2-hour drive here, I have heard all the songs. They're nice, I'm enjoying it and I think it's going to be fun.
सोनाली आप बड़ी fan है कि आपके बेटे बड़े fan हैं?
Beta fan hai, but I think that Alan Walker who is coming on, I really want to hear him. So I'm looking forward to that. I have no idea who is. Honestly, Goldie was supposed to do this, but he bailed out. I'm here.
One of the first stars of this century who sort of became famous after people wanted more of him. He didn't just go and cut an album. The kids really love him. Ariana and Ryan and there's Cindy, another kid. So the kids are very crazy. They wanted to see him live. For me, it's very difficult to come to live events like this because it's a lot of effort, traffic. We don't have the patience, but they are very excited. So let's see.
Good evening. Of course, it's the biggest celebration actually. मैं कहूँगा कि it's amazing कि जस्टिन बीबर आए हुए हैं यहाँ पे इंडिया में पहली बार और वर्ल्ड के नंबर 1 पॉप स्टार हैं और वो इंडिया आए हुए हैं तो of course the biggest celebration. मुझे वाइब्रेशन यहाँ तक आती है तो उम्मीदें तो बहुत कमाल की हैं और मैंने सुना है कि जब वो स्टेज पे आते हैं और जो लाइव शो होता है उनका एक अलग ही माहौल होता है. मैं भी वो एक्सपीरियंस लेना चाहता था तो मैं आया हूँ. मेरे से ज़्यादा मेरे बच्चे एक्साइटेड हैं तो वो आए हुए हैं अंदर. तो फेवरेट 2 गाने मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा फेवरेट हैं उनके. जो पहला था बेबी बेबी और अभी जो नया आया सॉरी वो मुझे
I was not in town for Coldplay. I'm a very big Coldplay fan. Like I've grown up listening to every song. But I'm excited, yeah. It's nice that people are coming to India. People are coming out. Love Yourself.
So I'm great. I'll enjoy tonight because of them. So you're here for your children. I'm here for all the kids, yeah.
Favorite song concept? Sorry.
You all are sorry.
Yeah.
Thank you guys.
I'm very excited to go and attend Justin Bieber's concert because I love his music, I love his spirit, and I've never attended a concert in Mumbai, so I'm excited more about that because Justin Bieber coming in Mumbai, it's a very big deal itself, and we celebrating music. I personally love music, so we celebrating music is a big thing, and I'm really looking forward. Sorry, I love that song. Yeah.
In the world, so lucky Justin Bieber.
Yeah, lucky Justin Bieber.
You got the time from your TV show?
Yeah, I managed to get some time out. I took the day out from my shooting.
I think
Yeah,
Sangeeta
she's
is also
also
here.
So we've taken that.
Sangeeta is also here. So Love Ka Hai Intezar has become Bieber Ka Hai Intezar.
Both of you, who's going to take Bieber home?
I think you should take it. Yeah, you should. If you want to be standing and in this weather, you would have wear suit. You deserve it.
Tell me, if you had a chance to take Bieber somewhere for a romantic date, what would you want to do with Bieber? As in, sing a song, a cozy, that'd be, if you had to do a dance move, come on. Like this, come on. Come on, guys. Come on. Yeah, baby. All right, Bieber. One line to Bieber in Hindi, man.
Bieber, मैं आपसे प्यार करती हूँ.
Which date? Sophie. Sophie, yeah, Sophie. Sophie, यहाँ पे तुम. Man,